Today we're going to be marinating chicken. You can do that with a variety of different seasonings we have here. You can choose whatever you enjoy, whatever seasonings you want to use. We also have some yellow mustard and some barbecue sauce, which add a little more flavor to it. We have 4 chicken breasts, maybe whatever size. We're going to cut them up. I'm going to do 3 pieces so it cooks quick. I'm going to try and get them to be about the same size. These breasts are huge. I know. That's what she said. So we're just cutting them up. Let me get them. So here we have the spices. It's all mixed up. There's a variety of different ones in here. Look at the beginning of the video for the list of ingredients. And we have 2 different oven-safe dishes. I split it up because it will make it easier and quicker to cook, and they will brown more on both sides if they're not all together in one container. We're going to start by taking some mustard, just a generous amount, and we're going to just pour it all over. And you're going to put a little barbecue sauce on it. You can use whatever brands you like. Just going to go ahead and mix it up. You can put on gloves if you don't want to get messy. I like getting into my work, so I'm just going to get it all. Do the same thing for the second one. Next up, we're going to sprinkle the stuff onto the chicken. Flip it over. You can use a tongue for this or your hands. Make sure to wash them after you touch raw meat. Now we're going to stick it into the oven at 350. And it's probably going to need about an hour. But just check it.